Namaste, children. Good morning. Once again, this is Subhashri working in Prasanna Vidya Mandir School, Mamandur. The PPT was prepared by myself, presented by myself, and my co staff, Ms. Shanta Kumari. I am handling the subject social for class 6, sections A and B. Today, we are going to see the most interesting topic from lesson number 2, striving for equality. Month September month, part and session 1. Expected learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students will be able to describe the terms prejudice and stereotypes, explain the social and economical differences, list down the factors that cause inequality, elaborate the term discrimination and inequality, illustrate how the caste system affect the society. Let us see prejudice. Prejudice is nothing but we can judging other people in a negative way or thinking them as inferior. One can judge the people based on their religion, color complexion, way of dressing, food, and language. It prevents harmonious living in the society. The prejudice is nothing but negative prejudgment of a group and its individual members, and it is an attitude, is a distinct combination of feelings, inclinations to act, and beliefs. Prejudice can affect the feelings, and it is based on behavior, tendencies, and also cognition, that is beliefs. So, the roots of prejudice may be social sources, emotional sources, and cognitive sources. So, first, social sources of prejudice: unequal status, that it may be a rich, poor, or middle class, conformity, in group bias, social identity, stereotype, and self fulfilling prophecy. So these are the main reasons for cause of prejudice. Next, stereotypes. So the main reason of stereotypes will be preconceived idea or prejudice. It can lead to the creation of stereotypes. For example, we are seeing in our day-to-day life, girls can cry easily. We thought fair-skinned girls are more beautiful than the dark ones. Villages are very simple and city folks are cunning. Okay. So next, stereotype, we can see it elaborate. The stereotype is nothing but negative evaluations that mark prejudice, can stem from emotional associations, from the need to justify the behavior, or from negative beliefs called stereotypes. A stereotype is to generalize and to categorize. They reflect ideas that group of people hold about others who are different from them. Next, social and economical differences. In our society, in day-to-day life, we are facing many problems. The problems mainly based on prejudice and also a stereotype. And another main problem will be social and economical differences. So it is based on the regional, culture, religious, and linguistic diversities can lead to the social and economical inequalities. Our society became imbalanced due to these differences. First, we are going to see social inequality. So, in India faces the problem of social inequality. This is because a person can face a social discrimination in society on account of his birth in a particular caste or a group. For example, a son of a potter becomes a potter and weaver's son becomes a weaver. These practices can create a situation of inequality. People can loses their dignity and respect due to this social inequality, and they remain ignorant and poor throughout the year. Next, the important thing will be the economical inequality. So the economical inequality may leads to unequal distribution of wealth among the people. That's resulted in economical inequality because our society only divided the people according to their economical conditions, right? That is rich people, poor people, and middle classes. So inequality comes about when a person does not have the resource or opportunities that are available to other persons. So we are comparing based on status, that is unequal status, rich, poor, and middle class. This leads to economical inequality. So in India, we are facing this problem, income inequality in India. Next, the next another important topic is discrimination. So the main problem of discrimination will be prejudice and also a stereotype. So the prejudice is nothing but a negative attitude, and a stereotype which can comes under the discrimination based on religion, race, caste, color complexion, and these and all can lead to the discrimination, which means a negative behavior. So the three terms that often overlap. So what are the three terms means? Prejudice, discrimination, and stereotyping. Next will be the caste system. Our society only can divided the caste system based on people's occupation. So there are four caste system based on occupation. The first one will be the Brahmanas or Brahmins. So they are considered as the high persons in the society. Next, Kshatriyas. Third one, Vaishyas, and fourth one, Shudras. So the Shudras are the lower caste people. They served as a servants or laborers. Apart from these, below these, another caste is available that we call it as Dalit. Next, discrimination. So the discrimination can be made by using real and relevant information. It is mainly based on prejudice, stereotypes, and gender bias. So the discrimination mainly happen by multiculturalism, gender discrimination, linguistic discrimination, social class, skin color, religion, age, national origin, and also a species. Then thank you.